Imagine standing amidst a landscape so breathtaking, it feels like a brushstroke on the canvas of the earth. Welcome to a journey through Peru, a country where the wonders of nature come alive in vibrant displays. From the towering peaks of the Andes to the enigmatic ruins of ancient civilizations and the verdant depths of expansive rainforests, Peru offers a tapestry of stunning vistas. Each destination we'll explore is a testament to nature's artistry and human history. Join us as we explore the most scenic areas in Peru. High in the Andes, Machu Picchu stands as a testament to the ingenuity of the Inca civilization. Perched between the Peruvian Andes and the Amazon basin, Machu Picchu is a symbol of the ancient Inca Empire at its peak. This awe-inspiring archaeological site was unknown to the outside world until its discovery by historian Hiram Bingham in 1911. Wrapped in a blanket of mystical fog and lush vegetation, it presents a panoramic spectacle that captivates the imagination of every visitor. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983, Machu Picchu is celebrated not just for its architectural precision, but also for its harmonious relationship with the breathtaking natural environment. The main structures of this ancient city, including the Intihuatana Stone, the Temple of the Sun, and the Room of the Three Windows, offer a glimpse into the sophisticated urban planning and astronomical knowledge of the Incas. The allure of Machu Picchu extends beyond its tangible elements. Legends and theories about its purpose, whether as a royal estate or a religious sanctuary, add layers of mystery to the already dramatic landscape. The site's strategic location high above the sacred valley ensures dramatic views that stretch out over the rugged terrain, the winding Urubamba River below adding to the site's majestic isolation. Visitors to this ancient citadel can't help but feel a profound connection to the past, a testament to the enduring spirit of the Inca civilization. Machu Picchu, a marvel that continues to mystify and inspire. Next, we unveil the striking colors of Vinicunca, also known as the Rainbow Mountain. Nestled in the Peruvian Andes, this breathtaking natural wonder is a canvas painted by the earth itself. The mountain's vibrant stripes of lavender, maroon, gold and turquoise are not the work of an artist's brush, but the result of a unique geological phenomenon. Millions of years ago, the tectonic activity that shaped the Andes also gave birth to Vinicunca. The varying colors we see today are due to the different mineral deposits that settled over centuries. Iron, copper, and other minerals have oxidized, each lending a distinct hue to the sedimentary layers. This natural orchestration of elements has created a visual symphony that is both rare and mesmerizing. Hiking up Vinicunca is an adventure of its own. The trail winds through rugged mountain landscapes, each turn offering a new perspective of the Andes' imposing beauty. The journey to the summit is a challenging yet rewarding experience, often undertaken at dawn to catch the first rays of sunlight illuminating the mountain's colors in full brilliance. Moreover, Vinicunca holds deep cultural significance for the local Quechua communities. It is considered a sacred entity, embodying the harmonious relationship between nature and humanity. The mountain not only attracts tourists from around the globe, but also serves as a source of spiritual inspiration for those who live in its shadows. Vinicunca, a spectrum of earthy hues that dazzles under the sun. From vibrant mountains to the serene expanses of Lake Titicaca, we find ourselves at the world's highest navigable lake. Straddling the border between Peru and Bolivia, Lake Titicaca sits at an elevation of over 12,000 feet above sea level. This vast sapphire expanse of water is as mystical as it is breathtaking. Lake Titicaca is not just a natural wonder, it's a cultural treasure trove. Among its most fascinating features are the Uros Islands. These islands aren't made of land, but reeds, specifically totora reeds. The Uros people, who trace their origins back to pre-Incan times, constructed these islands to isolate themselves from rival tribes. Today they continue to maintain their traditional way of life, almost floating atop the lake's tranquil waters. Visiting these floating islands, one is struck by the simplicity and ingenuity of life here. The residents build everything from reeds, houses, boats, and even watchtowers. This self-sustaining lifestyle showcases a unique harmony with nature, preserved over centuries. The lake itself offers more than just human history. Its biodiversity is notable with species that are found nowhere else in the world, like the giant Titicaca water frog. The clear skies and clean air make it a perfect spot for stargazing, adding to its serene ambiance. Lake Titicaca, where the sky meets the water in a quiet embrace, continues to enchant visitors with its timeless beauty and the enduring spirit of its people. Fly over the arid plains of Nazca to uncover one of Peru's greatest enigmas. When you first glimpse the Nazca Lines from the air, the sheer scale and complexity of these ancient ground drawings are nothing short of breathtaking. Spread across the desert, the lines form over 700 simple but geometric shapes, along with more than 70 animal and plant designs known as geoglyphs. Created by the Nazca culture between 500 BC and 500 AD, these lines were etched into the ground by removing the reddish pebbles and uncovering the lighter earth beneath. This contrast creates stark, enduring designs visible primarily from the sky. But why go to such lengths to create art that couldn't be fully appreciated from the ground? This question forms the heart of the Nazca Lines mystery. Several theories attempt to unravel this enigma. Some suggest that the lines are linked to the stars and celestial bodies, serving as a sort of astronomical calendar. Others propose that they were part of ritual pathways, used in sacred processes to honor deities, possibly related to water and fertility in this parched landscape. The most fascinating figures include the spider, said to represent fertility and water due to its association with rain-bringing weather phenomena, and the monkey, whose coiled tail aligns with the Ursa Major constellation. Viewing these colossal drawings, one can't help but ponder their true purpose and the incredible effort that went into their creation. The Nazca Lines, a puzzle laid out on the earth for the gods to see. Dive into the heart of biodiversity as we journey into the Amazon rainforest. Stretching over a vast expanse, this natural wonder forms a significant part of Peru's ecological tapestry. It's a realm where the air is thick with the scent of wet earth and the ceaseless symphony of wildlife echoes through the towering trees. The Peruvian Amazon is not just about its size, but also about the incredible life it harbors. From the elusive jaguar to the vibrant macaws, every creature adds a unique brushstroke to the rainforest's living canvas. Beneath the dense canopy, the forest floor teems with myriad forms of life, each adapted to the rhythms of this verdant world. For those who seek adventure mixed with awe, the Amazon offers river cruises that glide along waterways enveloped by lush greenery. Imagine drifting on the Amazon River, the lifeline of this jungle, where every turn brings a new discovery. For the thrill seekers, canopy walks provide a bird's-eye view of this green ocean, a perspective that stirs the soul and elevates the spirit. Conservation efforts here are crucial. This rainforest doesn't just belong to Peru, it is a vital organ of our planet. It plays a pivotal role in regulating the Earth's atmosphere and houses an incredible diversity of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The Amazon, a living, breathing world of green that thrums with life. We've journeyed through the peaks of the Andes to the depths of the Amazon. From the ancient, silent whispers of Machu Picchu to the vibrant, colorful strokes of Vinicunca, each location in Peru tells a unique story, rich with culture and breathtaking in its natural beauty. Let's take a moment to revisit these spectacular sights. Imagine standing atop Machu Picchu, surrounded by misty mountains, feeling the pulse of history beneath your feet. Or picture yourself walking on the surreal, rainbow-like landscape of Vinicunca, where every step feels like moving through a vivid painting. Then, there's the serene expanse of Lake Titicaca, shimmering under a golden sun, bordered by communities steeped in traditions that date back to pre-Columbian times. And who could forget the enigmatic Nazca Lines? These mysterious geoglyphs sprawl across the desert, holding secrets of an ancient civilization. Our journey wouldn't be complete without the lush, verdant embrace of the Amazon rainforest. This sprawling green haven is a symphony of life, a place where every corner offers a new marvel, from exotic wildlife to towering trees. Now, it's your turn to tell us what captured your imagination. Which of these Peruvian wonders fascinated you the most? Was it the silent dignity of ancient ruins, the artistic marvels of nature, or the uncharted wilderness of the rainforest? We also want to know where your adventurous spirit is itching to go next. Is there a corner of the globe you're curious about, a landscape you're longing to see through our lens? Drop your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Your input is invaluable as it guides us on our next journey together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help our channel grow. Until our next adventure, keep exploring.